Sure, dude.
Hey, even this too. Like this. No vice president. He didn't seem that great to me.
Okay guys, so it's raining right now. Ipupunta na kami ng school. Hindi pa nila sinususpend ang lakas na kasi. Dapat mamumotor kami pero magka-car na lang kami. And I am so late. Grabe. Ang nakapakahasel. Okay, so I just got home guys and ngayon nagbihis ako and then I'm going to do my assignment. Then after nato, pumunta kami kay Mommy and coffee again. It's your girly, matcha girly! Okay, so we're going out na. Going to Mega Mall. Actually, I'm so late kasi I'm planning to go to cinema. Latitude, guys. I love this. So I'm going to Robinson's Galleria ngayon and look, I'm wearing a natural makeup. So right now we're here in hardware. So we're looking for a bidet for our CR kasi new bidet, you know. Here's my outfit. Like shoes, white pants, Hong Kong bag. Thank you. Okay guys, so today, time check is already 5:46 and my pasok is 7 AM. Tapos, kakatapos ko lang gawin yung plates ko and review for our practical research. Tapos, right now, I don't have any sleeps and I'm very bloated ngayon. My face is bloated kasi kain ng chocolate. Like, as in, ang tamis ng pistachio chocolate ng mango. Dubai chocolate siya. And then, grabe, as in, like, naka 1/4 or almost 1/2 na ata eh. Grabe, oh my gosh. I'm going to take a shower and ready to school. And let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. Kasi feel ko, I'm very sleepy. I feel heavy, so tired. But I gotta go to school. Moving on. Diba?
Hi vlog! Trial natin. ML yan eh. Ano? Oras. Ano oras? Ano? Time mo 11.33. Sana mag-miss yung reaction video. Jumpstart pa ako. Baka malagyan ng mantika yung ilan. Fire sanitizer, posporo. Ano posporo natin? Posporo tayo? Oo, meron din. Ayun. Ay, dito lang ang kami sabi ni ang blue mo. Budget mo na kay sir. Budget mo na.
Saan dito yung alcohol?
Ito pang blue. Alcohol yan yung malaki. Ito yung kahit. Pinahilala mo. Video. Wala pa, di ba ako mag-wala? Yeah! Alcohol. Lapit din yan. Yes, sir. Sir!
Eugene Velasco.
Diyan na po si ma'am. Ay po.